What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you real quick how to use the Productor tool to speed up your uploads and be able to resize quickly so that you can move on to your next design. So it is possible to start with a pop socket. Just say you only have a pop socket design that you want to apply to phone cases and totes. But in this example, I'm just going to show you how to use it starting from a t-shirt design. So this is probably the best way to approach it. So you'll upload whatever your design is here. Then you'll select the ones you want to resize. So we're just going to do hoodies, pop sockets, phone cases, totes, and pillows. So if I select edit details, you'll see an option here that will allow you to pick what colors you want. You can do dark colors, light colors, all colors. So it's just a quick feature to help you out there. Then we have, you can download your design once, I guess, you upload it there. And then we have hoodie, center and bottom. I just use the center and leave it at 100%. So I'll just select that. And you'll see it drop down here at the bottom in my downloads. It may show up differently. You just may have to go to your downloads folder. I'm using a MacBook. Then I'll just drag that in. And it's that easy. So you can see it already added it to this one as well. But if I want to do pop socket, you can choose what background you want. So to let you like select whatever color, let's just use red for example. If I select red, just hit download. So that put it in the center. Let's do phone case. So this one, I like this feature a lot because this one will do, it'll just do a resize phone case, but I suggest using for iPhone because they're different where the camera is. So you can still select any color you want. And we'll just select something random. Let's just do that purple and I'll hit download. So then you can just kind of look through, see how it doesn't land on where the camera is. So the Samsung Galaxy, you do the same way. Just select the color you want. You just do a white or black or select your color. Then the same for, I usually start with the pillow. You could do, let's just do black. And I'll show you an example of how to change the size here. 100% is pretty good. So it's real large. You want it to stand out. Now, if you're coming strictly from a pop socket design, like say you didn't start with a t-shirt, so you had a pattern and all that. What I found is like 138% works well here. But you just have to adjust that until you like it to make sure it fits past the sides here. And totes are the same size as your pillowcase. Say it was too big, you want to go like 85%. You could do that. You could fit it to your liking. But that's all for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to copy one listing to another marketplace. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, please take a second, subscribe below, and we'll catch you in the next video.